If you're running Oracle E-Business Suite and trying to avoid an expensive upgrade, there's a smarter path. More companies are turning to third-party support to keep EBS stable, supported, and fully compliant, without Oracle's deadlines or price hikes. Independent support gives you coverage for tax updates, bug fixes, customizations, and performance tuning, and it keeps your EBS system running well beyond Oracle support cutoff dates. That means no forced move to R12.2, just to stay supported. Most importantly, it cuts your annual maintenance fees in half. Same uptime, same stability. Way lower cost. Here's your tip. Before renewing with Oracle, audit how many support tickets you actually opened this year. Most EBS customers discover they barely used Oracle support, which makes switching much easier. If you're evaluating third-party EBS support, reach out, share your NDA and current renewal. We'll review it and show you exactly how much you can save while keeping your EBS environment rock solid.